sweet friends, and welcome back. And for those of you new here, welcome to my channel. I am thrilled that you decided to join me today as I decorate my kitchen for the holiday season. It is quite the jury day today, so it is the perfect day to bring some festiveness into my kitchen area. Plus, we're gonna make a delicious bread that I think you're all going to want to have the recipe to make for your family throughout the holidays. So welcome, friends. Welcome to my home. The first thing I'm going to start off with is making a bow for my wreath that I'm going to put on the stone column here in my kitchen. And this is such an easy way to make the perfect bow. But please, my friends, don't follow exactly what I did here as far as using these pointed metal skewers, especially if you have children around. Now, I was just making one bow and I quickly untaped it from my island, but you can use chopsticks, something that's not as pointy as this is, but it is, again, a quick way to make a bow. If you watch my Decorate With Me for the fall season, I did add a wreath to the stone column, and I really liked the way it looked. I cannot believe we've lived in this house for 15 years, and it took me this long to figure out that I can put something on that column, and I think it looks so pretty. So, of course, now I'm just going to put this wishes wreath just to give it a little cozy factor here, and you'll see how it looks once I'm done decorating the entire kitchen. I always say that my kitchen island is the star of the show when it comes to decorating for the seasons here in my kitchen. So we're going to start off with this beautiful tray, and this is one of my seasonal blooms items on my online boutique. And we're going to go and put some greenery, some flocked greenery with some berries. This is something that I literally grabbed from my bin. And then I'm going to add this beautiful church. I knew the theme that I wanted this year was going to be sort of the gingerbread kind of house themes. I just think they're so beautiful, and I love churches, so I thought this would be the perfect one. And I slowly have been adding pieces and pieces, and you will see here as soon as you continue to watch my Decorate With Me video, and then adding these beautiful white Christmas trees. And I love hurricanes, and you know how much I love to add bulbs. I love the color and the texture. I just think it makes such a beautiful visual look. And I'm going to put my very favorite Mistletoe Kisses candle in there. I do have this wire lighting, and so I'm going to wrap it around the hurricane. I've done this before. I just really seem to like that look and how it illuminates the kitchen island. So it was a little bit knotted up, so I needed to work on it a little bit to get it to stay, and I added a little bit of tape. But again, adding the bulb just gives it that little more of a glitter effect, especially when you're adding these lights. This is one reason why I want to share with you. It is so important when you have an idea of how you want to decorate. go get what you need to get and get it early, because to be quite honest with you, I'm still ahead of the game here, and I had a hard time finding some of the greenery that I wanted for my kitchen island. So I had to get what I could find, but I love this beautiful, the greenery that already came in this beautiful vase. But what I did is I got these berry picks and actually shoved it down inside because I wanted that look, but I could not get them. They were sold out everywhere. So I made it up myself, and I think it turned out really pretty. And again, adding the final touches of some bulbs to fill in all those areas. And I just think it turned out so beautiful. My cranberry bread dough I actually started making yesterday because it has to rest for 18 hours. So make sure that you have plenty of time planned out here in order to make the bread. But trust me, it's going to be well worth the wait. So now we're just going to go ahead and roll it, and we're going to go ahead and put some plastic wrap on it, again, for just about 30 more minutes. In the meantime, we are heating the oven to 450 with my Dutch oven inside of it heating up. And then we're going to go ahead and put it on parchment paper and place it into the hot Dutch oven. And we're going to bake it for 30 minutes, and then we're going to remove the lid and bake it for an additional 8 to 10 minutes. As you will notice, I really do not fill my counter space up with too much decor, only for the mere fact is we are going to be entertaining, obviously, for Thanksgiving coming up and then for all the holidays. And I still want to have my surfaces pretty much cleaned off so I can work. So I think I have a lot, but not too much. And to me, it's just, it works. I need it to be functional, but still it looks so festive and pretty. One of my favorite kitchen gadgets is this Our Place toaster oven. It's also a toaster, an air fryer, it bakes, it broils. And so yes, it does take up just a little bit of space on the counter, but I still had to decorate a little bit on top, again, using one of these brand new this year homes from Target. I just love the cuteness and the festiveness and the color of it. So I just added some little trees alongside with a candle, flameless candle, of course, with some bulbs to decorate, just so it gives this a little bit of a cute decorative piece here, even though it's an appliance on my counter, but I still wanted to make it look festive. Last year, I added these flocked wreaths with this beautiful velvet garland and the bells. And to me, it just made my kitchen feel like a Christmas movie, and I had to add them again this year. This will probably be staple pieces here in the kitchen every year, just because, I don't know, something about it. I feel like my kitchen is part of a Christmas movie, and I guess that's basically the theme that I'm going for this year, is the cozy festiveness of the holiday season. I love adding my mom's Christmas china. Mark and I use it every day throughout the entire holiday season. Friends, if you have the opportunity to get your hands on some china, either your parents or grandparents, please take it out and use it. To me, it just brings back memories of growing up, and I love the traditions of the holidays that my mom and dad instilled on us, and I carry on throughout the holidays with our children. And to me, it's having festive holiday plates. So get out that china and enjoy it. Now it's time to set up the coffee station, and I love this dear gold bowl. And this is where I've been housing my Christmas coffees. And one of my favorites is this cinnamon sugar cookie this time of year. And I can't wait to find some more festive coffee. So you make sure that you stay tuned to my videos, because I will make sure I let you know where I find all the delicious tasting flavors. And then we're going to go ahead and set up my coffee station and wait till you see what I've used this year. It is so funny because when I saw this, I immediately thought, how cute is this going to look in the kitchen for my coffee station this Christmas? And wow, it seems like I'm not the only one that had the same idea. Oh my gosh, friends, I was sitting around the other day and I am on TikTok and on Instagram, and I've seen some other people using the same thing. I thought, well, maybe it's great minds think alike because we all had the same idea, but I just think it is so super cute and a little whimsy. Look at how cute this warmer is. It is a gingerbread house, and oh my gosh, I thought this was going to be so perfect when I saw it. So of course I immediately ordered it. And I do think a little genius of me that I had this wooden tree to cover up my plugs. You know how much that drives me crazy. So I thought this was just perfect. And of course I am going to add here, you'll see shortly, another beautiful home that I got from Target. But check out Elf. Oh my gosh, this mug is so darn super cute. Put all of my gold spoons in for adding my creamer. But also this Christmas plate was one of my mommy's, and I love it so much that I wanted to put it back behind here just so I can look at it and just remember when I was a little girl. I remember seeing this plate out, and I thought it would be the perfect backdrop. I hope that you all are feeling the excitement as far as getting so excited for the holiday season. I'm having so much fun decorating my home, friends, and just welcoming friends and family over to celebrate the reason of the season, or Jesus's birthday, and just making memories and traditions. And I encourage you all to do the same thing. It's so important to just spend time with our loved ones and people that are so special to us. And well, why not just make it a seasonal thing to have friends over, break bread, and just enjoy spending time together. I feel like I'm a broken record sometimes, but I do love the Mrs. Meyer scents. And they came out with a new one this year, a gingerbread. So of course I had to get it to do my dishes. If you guys try to get, let me know your thoughts. But I absolutely love the Mrs. Meyer's, especially the holiday scents. I love this wooden sleigh, so I thought, well, why don't I add a pretty bow to it? But what should I put inside? And I completely forgot when I was at the Target dollar spot that I picked up this Festive holiday rolling pin. So I thought, well, maybe I'll put that inside. So I grabbed a little extra greenery. I had a wreath, and I put it inside the wreath. And then I decided to tuck this cute little hand towel in there. And then I thought, what else can I add? So maybe I'll add some cookie cutters, but I forgot that I had this Christmas tree too. So I thought, well, this will be perfect right behind it. But friends, for the world of me, please, you have to help. Is this cookie cutter, is it a stocking, or is it a candy cane? I really don't know which one. Let me know in the comment section. I love to make homemade bread, and therefore I thought I need to carry a bread basket that keeps your bread nice and toasty and warm. On my online boutique, I do have 2 different sizes, so this is perfect for keeping my bread nice and toasty for Mark and I to enjoy a slice here when I'm done filming. That will be my treat today.
Drive alone in December rain, they play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday, counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night, I know you may stop a light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Deck the house. That's when the snow starts falling.
Friends, I surely hope that you enjoyed my second video in my series, Home for the Holidays, A Christmas to Remember. Let me know what you liked best about my kitchen decor, and if you have not checked out my living room Decorate With Me video, I will link it in the description box for you. Stay tuned. I have so many more areas of my home to decorate with all of you. Again, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and sign up for my weekly newsletter. I've got so much more to share with you. Love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Christmas, Christmas night.